Begin in staff pose and engage your leg muscles. Draw the muscles to the bones and root down through your thigh bones to the ground. Remove any fleshy muscle under your bottom so you're rooted to the mat, and make sure you're sitting directly on top of your sitting bones. Move your sacrum in and up towards your navel, and while extending your sternum away from your navel to lengthen the body. Bend your right knee to draw your right foot back. Your heel should be just in front of your sitting bones. Isometrically pull your right heel back to rock your pelvis slightly forwards. Let your right knee fall open slightly and tilt your torso forward so that it comes to the inside of the right thigh. Reach the right hand forward and lengthen your torso. Pin your right knee back in towards your midline so that your inner right knee hugs your right outer shoulder. Internally rotate your right arm, placing the right armpit against the right shin. Keep this connection and take your right arm back behind you. Reach behind your back with your left arm to clasp the left wrist with your right hand. You can use a strap or belt if your hands do not meet. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fold forward to lengthen your body back. Aim the crown of your head towards your toes and release your shoulders away from your ears. Then slowly release and return to staff pose, and then repeat on the other side.